हेलो एवरीबॉडी, आज हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं डीएवी स्कूल के लिए मैथ्स एग्जामिनेशन जो अभी रिसेंटली हुआ है उसके सॉल्यूशन। आपको ये काफ़ी हेल्पफुल होगा अगर आप वीडियो को कंप्लीट एंड तक देखते हैं। आज हम सेक्शन ए करेंगे और आपको रेगुलर वीडियोस प्रोवाइड होंगी बी सी डी सेक्शन के लिए। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन। द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन वॉज द रैशनल नंबर लाइंग बिटवीन 2/5 and 4/5 are. So this very simple question, we have to multiply the both numerator and the denominator by 2. That was 4/10 and the another was 4/5. So multiply and divide with 2, we get 8/10. So write the number between 4/5 and 8/10. The B option will be correct, which is C/10. Then let the other question, which is very interesting. So the question is 27 root 15 divide by 9 root 3, in which 9 will easily cut 27 on 3. So and in root 5 we can write it in the form of 3 multiply 5 divide by root 3. We further solve it and write it in form of 3 multiply root 3 multiply root 5 upon root 3. So root 3 cancel root 3. The answer will be 3 root 5. Hope these are very easy to solve. Now we will start with the third question, in which A and B value were given and we have to put this in the equation given. 3A minus 4B power b minus a divided by 4a minus 3b power 2b minus a. In the question their a value was 3 and the b is 2. So simply put the values. 3 multiply 3 minus 4 multiply 2 power 2 minus power is b minus a. So 2 minus 3 divide by 4 multiply 3 minus 3 multiply 2 and the power is 2 multiply 2 minus 3. So let's solve this equation. 3 3s are 9 minus 8. The power will be 2 minus 3. So the sign of the larger will be taken. So the sign is minus 4 and power is minus 1. 12 minus 6, 4 minus 3, 1. When we solve 9 minus 8 power minus 1, so it will be minus 1 power 1. And 12 minus 6 is 6 power 1. So answer will be 1 up. The power came below. The answer will be 1 by 6 multiply 1. 1 upon 6 will be the answer. The fourth question is very interesting, in which we have to find the degree. The question was given 4x power 4 plus 0. Point means here multiply plus 0.x power 5 plus 5x plus 7. So many students have made a mistake in this question because they just see x power 5 and they have take the answer 5, which is wrong, because if we multiply something with 0 it will give answer 0. So here this term will become 0, this will become 0. Now we have to check this and here we can now get 4x4. So the degree will be 4. Another question is very common with the use of formula a plus b, a minus b, which is equal to a square minus b square. In this 9y plus half, 9y minus half is given, so it will be 9y square minus half square. So 81y square minus 1 by 4, and they have given that it is equal to 81y square minus k. So we have to find the k, and k will be 1 by 4. Another, in the sixth question, we have to find the perpendicular distance from a point P. P have the value is 4, 3, in which 4 is the abscissa which lie on the x-axis, and the 3 will be the ordinate which lie on the y-axis. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 lie here and the 1, 2, 3. So this point lie here and its perpendicular distance from the x-axis is 3 unit. Seventh question is very important. In this question, they have given x upon y plus y upon x is equal to -1. Find the value of x cube minus y cube. So what is the formula of x cube minus y cube? It is x minus y, x square plus y square plus xy. This is the formula for x cube minus y cube. By using this, we can take an LCM. The LCM will be xy. LCM, so by LCM we can solve it above. So x square plus y square upon xy is equal to -1. We cross multiply these. X square plus y square is equal to minus xy, and we when take minus xy this side, we'll get a 0. So this value is 0. When we put this in our formula, 0 multiplied by something gives 0. So the answer will be 0. Now we have reached the 8th question, in which x is equal to k plus 1 and y is equal to k minus 1. We have to find the solution of the equation, and then the value of k will be found. So x, just put these xy in the equation. 2x minus 3y plus 5 is equal to 0. So we put 2x value here. It will be 2k plus 2 minus 3 to the 6k minus plus 3 plus 5, which is equal to 0. So let here solve these first k terms. To 2k minus 6k, that will be minus 4k because the sign of the greater value was taken, and the another will be 8 plus 3, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 plus 2, 10 is equal to 0. Minus 4k will be minus 10, k will be minus 10 upon minus 4. It will be 5 upon 2 when we cut it with the table of 2. Okay. Ninth question. Here isosceles right triangle will be given. Isosceles right triangle in which the base and the perpendicular are same. Let it be the ABC triangle, in which AB and BC are the perpendicular and base. So here they give the area of the triangle. Area of the triangle will be equal to half into base into height. Let the base and height were x, because it is an isosceles triangle having two sides equal. So the area was 8 given in the question, and when we solve it, 8 to the 16 is equal to x square. X value will be 4. Now we will apply the Pythagoras theorem. So we'll find the hypotenuse of this. Let me change the color of the pen. Pythagoras theorem states that base square plus perpendicular square will be equal to hypotenuse square. So base is x, x is equal to 4, perpendicular is 4, 4 square plus 4 square is equal to hypotenuse square. 4 square is 16 plus 16 is equal to hypotenuse square. 16 plus 16 will be 32, which is equal to hypotenuse square. So hypotenuse will be root 32. The question have asked till here, so we will give simply this answer. The 10th question will be the class marks. Class marks will be lower limit, upper limit plus lower limit divide by 2 will be the class marks. So here in this question 90 till 130. So the upper limit will be 130 and the lower limit is 90. 130 plus 90 divide by 2, 0, 9 plus 3, 12, 1 carry, 220 divide by 2. The answer will be 110. This 11th question, the Euclid divided his famous treatise, The Element, into how many chapters was given in the NCERT theory in I guess second, third page. On the topmost line was there. Now we will reach the third question, in which A, B, C are the 3 points on a line such that A lies between B and C. It means the B and C are on the end of the line and A lies between them. So this will be the structure or the diagram. Here we can conclude that, let's take the option BC half AC, not possible. Another will be AC 1 by 4 BC, not possible. AC BC, AC equals to BC, not possible. Then this will be the last AB here, AC here, it will combine to form BC. So the last option is correct. Okay. We have now reached the 13th question, in which two complementary angles. You know that complementary angle have a sum of 90 degree. Let the angles are A and B are the angles. And in the complementary angle, their sum will be 90 degree. So let the one angle will be the x, the other will be 90 degree minus x. So these are the two angles. Now they say that 2 times the measure of 1. So this is the one angle, and when we make it 2 times the measure of 1 will be is equal to 3 times the measure of other, to 3 bracket 90 degree minus x. This will form the equation. Here most of the students will confuse. So you have to read these lines properly with the complete concentration. We can now solve this. 2x, 3, 9 3s 9 0, 3 0s are 0, 3 9s are 27. Minus 3x. This came this side and will become 2x plus 3x is equal to 270 degree. This will 5x equals to 270 degree. X will be 270 divided by 5. When you divide, the answer will be 54 degree. But here they ask for the smaller angle. We have find the value of one angle will be 54, the other angle will be 90 degree minus 54 degree, which will be equal to 36 degree. Okay. In the 14th question, you have two triangles. In these type of question, you must start with these points. Just like we can make the two triangle first, and then we have to take these these line segment. Start with the first AB, which is equal to QR. So just write QR in the other. Then write the third side, which is C in this, and in this triangle this will be P. Now compare it with BC, AB, QR, BC, PR, CA will be PQ. So then with the help of the option you can easily do this. Let's start. In the first option they have given A, B, C, and in other he have write P. So not possible. With AB we have to take QR side, so this will be not possible. So take the other side. Now take the second option. They have given C, B, then A, congruent to triangle PRQ, PRT, RQ. So from here we get the sides. First we go CBA, then PRQ. These are equal, so the congruent condition is followed. Now we have reached the 15th question. If the angle of a parallelogram is 24 less than the smallest angle, then the largest angle of the parallelogram is. Let's take, first make an parallelogram. This will be X angle, the other is 24 less than twice the smallest angle, so it will be twice the smallest minus 24. Clear? Smallest angle is X and it's twice 2x, and the largest is twice the smallest less than 24, so minus 24. Parallelogram property, opposite angles are equal, so this equals to this will X, this equals to this 2x minus 24. Then you can solve easily. X plus 2x minus 24 plus x plus 2x minus 24 is equal to 360 degree. All angles of parallelogram are equal to 360 degree. Okay. Now we have reached the 16th question. Surface area of a football. Football is in the shape of sphere. Sphere surface area is 4 pi r square, which is equal to 100 pi given in the question. So first find the radius. Pi cancel pi. R square is equal to 100 by 4. So the radius will be under root 100 by 4, which is equal to 10 upon 2 centimeter radius. Now we have to find the volume of the air. Air अंदर completely fill कर देगी बॉल को, तो volume of the sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Put here 4 by 3 pi into 10 by 2 into 10 by 2 into 10 by 2. Now solve this. 2 2 2 completely cut. Above 10 multiply 10 multiply 10, which will be equal to 1000. 3 2s 6 pi centimeter cube will be the answer. If we cut into table, then it will be 3 and 5. So answer is 500 upon 3 pi centimeter cube. In the 7th question, the area of curved surface of cone. Area of curved surface of cone of radius radius is given 2r, and the slant height is L by 2. This is the slant height which was given L by 2. We have to find the curved surface area. So curved surface area of cone is pi r L. We have to take pi value same. Radius is 2r and the slant height is L by 2. So 2 cut 2. The answer will be pi r L itself. Now in the 18th question, AB is a chord of circle with radius r. Okay. This is the circle and AB is the chord. If P is any point on the circle, let's take P is here, and angle APB angle is 90 degree. So here is the property: when the chord make an angle of 90 degree with any point, it will form then the chord will be the diameter. This is the identity, I guess 9th, 10th identity. So from here we get AB is the diameter and the radius is r. So diameter is twice the radius, so the AB length was 2r. These are the last two questions in which assertion and reason were given. So start with the first. If triangle ABC, okay, we have made the two triangles ABC name, congruent to triangle RPQ, okay, then BC is equal to QR. So BC QR not possible. If they said BC equals to PR, so this is possible, but QR not possible, so assertion will be wrong. Corresponding part of two congruent triangle are equal, so reason is right, but the assertion is wrong in this case. So D option for the 19th question. And this is the last question of the series. The diagonal of parallelogram bisect each other. Okay. Yes, diagonals bisect each other. If the diagonal of parallelogram are equal and intersect at right angle, then it will be a square. Yes, second was also correct because square have equal sides, so equal diagonal, and they bisect each other at 90 degree. So both are correct, but reason is not correct for this assertion. So assertion and reason both are correct, but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. So B option will be there. We have completed the 20 question series. I will make another video so you get the answers of other section also. Thank you everyone. Please like and subscribe if it was helpful to you.